Hey, we're the development team of The Right Place.
And we've come to solve a common problem.
Look at this despondent, downtrodden student. He spent weeks revising this essay, but there's still something wrong. He's not sure what it is, but he doesn't want to turn it in only to face another bad grade. Eric, I'm disappointed. This isn't your best work. Wouldn't it be great if there was a simple way for him to get help from his peers?
Welcome to The Right Place.
We've all been in Eric's place. As students, we yearn to find the support of students who have gone through the classes and work that we currently trudge through, but many of us don't have the means to find such a community or platform to connect ourselves. We write hundreds of essays over our high school careers, for English class, research internships and projects, or the dreaded college applications. It's often beneficial to have a few pairs of eyes look over our work to check for grammar, content, and logical errors, but the help resources that are out there usually require a fee that stands as a roadblock. We wanted to create something that students could use for free, and instead use their service as a sort of return payment. By revising and commenting on others' essays, you collect points and gain the ability to submit your own essays for review by a large body of possible users within your chosen community. In the app, you can choose the workspace you would like to submit your work to, collect points by reviewing student work that is relevant to your identification tags, and upload your work with its associated tags to get it reviewed by experienced students in your community.
In our app, you can sign in or register, and once signed in, you will be prompted to select a workspace. Under the list of essays to review, you can see each user who submitted an essay along with their points and on what date their essays were submitted for review. Once you select an essay to review, you will see the essay and a place to type comments that can be shrunk to view more of the essay. Once finished, the comments are submitted and can be viewed under the feedback page. The user interface remains much the same for feedback, where you can view other users' comments on your essays. Once finished viewing, you'll be prompted to rate the feedback. You are also able to upload an essay and select the tags you wish for it to have, and the app will let you know that the essay has been received.
Eric submits his essay to The Right Place, where another student looks it over and gives him feedback. He makes changes accordingly.
Eric, this is amazing. What did you use?
I used The Right Place.
Due to the nature of the competition, we decided to implement our concept as an Android app using Android Studio.
However, in the future, we hope to make The Right Place more accessible by making an iOS app and a browser-based web app.
Because essay editing and feedback writing are easier on a desktop computer, we hope that this change will drive user growth and improve feedback quality.
Also, our solution for accessing user files involves the Google Docs API. This means that users must submit a Google Docs link in order to upload their file to the app for review.
In the future, we hope to break free of this limitation and allow users to submit PDFs, presentations, docs files, and much more, all for free review.
One of our most challenging moments was of course figuring out how to use Android Studio and its associated libraries and tools in order to create what we wanted. All of us had a fair background in programming, but it was the first time any of us had created a project using Android Studio, which required an in-depth understanding of Java, XML, and how to integrate them, and how to navigate through the IDE itself. There were so many features at the start that it was quite overwhelming. Oftentimes, there were tiny errors or flaws that were difficult to figure out, and led to quite a bit of mental taxation. However, we didn't give up. Despite having no mentor to guide or help us, we worked with and grew upon one another to teach ourselves through hours of YouTube videos, online tutorials, and Stack Overflow posts. We are surely proud of what we have ended up with, because the process provided us with an experience in app development that will be beneficial in the future.
Another challenging moment was getting started with an idea. In our 5-month timeline over which we developed our app, much time was allotted to brainstorming. With every new project, the hardest part is getting an idea rolling. After that stage, it's simply carrying out a plan. We spent a while generating ideas for our app by identifying problems that we, as students, could relate to, and that didn't already exist in the ever-growing industry of educational apps. Once we'd identified an issue, we spent days planning out and refining a solution that optimized the user experience and was tailored to the needs of students like ourselves.
It may sound cliche, but throughout the development process, communication has been imperative. Due to the fact that Android Studio does not yet have a live collaboration platform, it was quite difficult for each member of the team to work on different aspects of the app, while maintaining programming conventions that all of us were able to understand and follow.
Another soft skill that was crucial to our project was work ethic. At times when things did not work as we wanted, it was difficult to find the drive to keep going and figure out a solution. Even over such a long development timeline, we regularly worked on our app and worked hard to learn how to implement certain features and aspects of our idea.
Oftentimes, the program did not do what we were looking for or expected it to do. In those instances, we learned how to adapt.
Diversity and inclusivity are central to the core concepts behind the development of the right place. Our goal is to reach students of every kind and connect them to one another. By asking students to help a fellow peer with a subject they are passionate about and comfortable with, we are able to give students an opportunity to receive needed help for completely free, while also fostering a sense of community and service. We want our app to reach as many students as possible throughout North Carolina, regardless of their socioeconomic or location-based limitations. The Right Place gives every student an opportunity to receive personalized and full-time support.